Hare Krishna. Purification reveals the healthier choice to be the tastier choice. Suppose we are trying to eat healthy and we see a box of chocolate and a bowl of carrots. Now we may with our intelligence understand that the carrots are healthier for us, but still the box of chocolates will seem to be much tastier. And sometimes in our life the right choice seems to be like the bowl of carrots. Oh, there's so much pleasure there, but no, I'm not meant to do this, I'm meant to do this. When we have this conception, then making the right choice always seems to be like an austerity. It always seems to be that we are missing the pleasure by making the right choice. And as long as we have this vision in our spiritual life, where we see worldly pleasures to be like the box of chocolates, and we see spiritual pleasure or spiritual growth to be like the carrot bowl, we will struggle in our spiritual life. We'll move forward, again we may move back. That way, what do? We need to purify ourselves. When we connect our consciousness with the all pure reality Krishna, then that will elevate us. That will take us beyond the illusions that dog us in material existence. So the Bhagavad Gita in 2.59 says, Vishaya vinivartante niraharasya dehinaha rasavarjam rasopyasya param drushtva nivartate. So Vishaya vinivartante. Even if we give up the sense objects, niraharasya dehinaha, we feel as if we are starving. We are not getting food. But rasavarjam rasopyasya. But even when we give up the indulgence, still the desire for the indulgence remains. However, param drushtva nivartate. When we get the higher taste, then we become peaceful, we become joyful. So this higher taste comes by connection with the all pure reality Krishna. So rather than thinking, oh, the spiritual life is just good for me, but it's not, it doesn't feel good, we can just focus on striving wholeheartedly to connect with Krishna. When we remember Krishna as intensely as possible, as diligently as possible, by that remembrance we will surely get purified. And as we get purified, we will get elevated. As we get elevated in our consciousness, our tastes will change. And when our tastes change, when the healthier option is seen also to be the tastier option, when we see that actually the practices of bhakti are like the ultimate chocolate, they give not just a little titillation but enduring satisfaction, then our spiritual life will become not a struggle but a joy. Thank you. Hare Krishna.